Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Hosmer, British Columbia, a small mountain community nestled in the beautiful Elk Valley. This quiet town offers incredible views of the Rocky Mountains and is surrounded by forests, rivers, and wildlife. Hosmer began as a coal mining town in the early 1900s when the railway brought workers and their families to the area. At its peak, the town had stores, a school, and even its own hospital. The community was named after Charles Hosmer, a well-known railway executive with the Canadian Pacific Railway. Although the coal mines eventually closed, the history of Hosmer can still be seen in Seoul. Whether you come for the views, the history, or just the quiet charm, Hosmer offers a special glimpse into life in the Canadian Rockies. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Hosmer, British Columbia. Thanks for watching!